Guys, we're outside. Mario! What? What, Junior? What? Why are we outside when it's windy? Because, Junior, we are. It's so windy, though. Yeah, I know, it's part of it being outside. Mario, it's so windy. No, it's not. Okay, maybe it is. Oh my god. It sounds really loud. It's still so windy like this morning. Is it starting to rain, guys? What's way windy? Let's go up next. I'm really scared. You guys are idiots. How am I an idiot? Because you go outside in the wind. Yesterday was fun. Yeah, yesterday it was just raining. Today is actually windy again. You guys are actually stupid because I'm actually a cop, so I'm trying to warn you guys to be safe, but you're not listening. So, since that's moving, it's not good. I'm gonna go before I die because I don't want to die. Ha 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 ha. Buddy, are you sure it's safe to be outside? Because it looks pretty windy. Yeah, we have sore. I mean, the clouds are moving pretty fast. I mean, the snow that are moving too, but this morning was awesome, moving way fast. Moving pretty fast, huh? Moving pretty fast. Oh boy. Ew. Oh my god. Guys, we might get blown away. Maybe in your trash can. Oh my god. That is crazy windy. Not raining yet, so that's good. I can't do this, guys. You guys are all babies. I can handle anything. I was out. Ow. Guys, I was out here since 1990. You see that wind? That's nothing. It's kind of loud. There's another arm moving pretty fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, it's kind of actually looks very stormy right now, guys. Oh my god. It's starting to look similar, if not even better. can't tell if it's raining or not. There's the sun. God, I see the sun. I see the sun. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Whoa. Oh my god, we're gonna die. Oh my god, oh, one cloud is like a light. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, it's starting to look actually pretty stormy out. I'm sorry, I think we took outside. Oh, too late. Bye, sun. I can still see a little piece of it. Oh my god. Yo, it's starting. It's really stormy out right now. Okay, it's still free. Somebody else. I got this. I can handle anything. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so stormy. It's so stormy out. I can handle anything. Jeffy, help. Jeffy. Jeffy! Oh! Did somebody out there actually mature? Feed me! Send me on my vacation! Guys! It's so horrendous. Jesus, oh my god. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! I just can't do anything. Whoa, did he fall? Just fell. Oh my god. It's starting to look dark and there's gonna be a big thunderstorm, guys. This weather's crazy right now. Gee, it's so windy out. Wow. It is so windy out now. Hey guys, it's starting to get a little bit humid. I mean, it's still humid now. Guys, I've been creating a big thunderstorm right now, guys. Here's the thunders. Okay, guys, Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Howell Township, it's 67 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has rainy weather with a high of 67 degrees and a low of 52 degrees.
All right. I don't know anything. I got anything. Okay, maybe the little stuff. Ah! Ah! Ah, right. There is the rain. I have to find myself. Oh. No! Son! Son, I can see you, son! Come on, I'll get tan. It was right there. I wasn't sure that I hadn't. Oh. It sounds really windy. Why do it's so windy today? Day night calculated pretty fast. Son! It's too late. It's too late. Son! So I can see you, son, through those clouds. And they fade away. So there's no use. Son, please. Son, please. Please. Oh no. Oh guys, I think it's a thunderstorm. Yeah, I'm out. Your eyes are all babies. It's not even that bad. So stupid. Huh. Oh no. Oh, I actually kind of windy. God, no point. I mean, it's getting a little windier. I'm just gonna find this. I started there. It's a thunderstorm. I started to think it's a thunderstorm. Look at that. Look, guys, it looks like a big thunderstorm, but this is not safe. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm out. Come on, guys. Kind of wondering. At school, my eyebrow fell off. Yeah, it looks weird, but it's so windy today. Oh no. I heard it wind again. It sounds even worse now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's really crazy. Get an airplane a little bit. It's getting a little windy. Maybe this is safe. Jesus Christ! Yeah, I'm out. Dude, I'm here to see the day. Oh my god. I can hear the clouds moving so fast. It's a big thunderstorm right here. Way big of a thunderstorm. Starting. I can hear a guy on the ground and up there. I can hear the wind pushing the clouds, guys. Now, I'm starting to think it's a thunderstorm. Yeah, dude, I'm out. Dude! Us girls are out. Yeah. You guys are babies. I can handle anything. Well, maybe not this. Got grass. Get off grass. So guys, oh my god. it's starting to get so windy. Dang, those clouds are moving pretty fast, just like me. But I'm faster than any clouds. Yeah, those clouds are moving fast, but I can move faster because I'm Suck the Hedgehog. Should I race today? Yeah, I'm gonna race. Oh my god, I can barely run with the wind. Guys, I can barely run with wind. Whoa! Oh! God, I'm so light. This is so stupid. I can't even run today. You know what? I can't even run. Like, I used to be able to run, you know, but it's so windy. At the wind, you saw I would go like this. But the wind was so strong, it blew me up. I'm more in the storm. Oh my god. Here, let's head back now. Let's head back now. That's super speed. I have super speed. You can just walk home. Yeah. Okay. I'm safe. So guys, it's the thunderstorm. Guys. Yeah. This is literally a thunderstorm. It's turning into. Yeah, they said later it's gonna be a thunderstorm. Cause I wanna see this. Oh my god, I went so strong today. Oh my god. Whoa! Oh my god! So strong. Jesus! It's a thunderstorm! 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 It's a big thunderstorm, guys. Guys, I'm thinking it's starting to turn into a thunderstorm. I don't hear any thunder. All I hear is wind yet, so far. But it looks like it's gonna be a thunderstorm because of how. Oh my god! If I die, please spare me. Yo. Okay, so much for me. I'm getting out of here before I get struck with lightning or even worse, fly away and die. Guys, come on! They need to spout the weather. That weather's always gets you experts. Probably wondering, I'm gonna change the code in a few. Okay, yeah, I'll just fly on my face. Oh yes. Yeah, get all the books. I have a book in my nose. Did I just feel rain? I swear to God, I just felt rain. If it rains, I'm going to scream. To my scientific experts. Alright guys, I got full proof that it's gonna thunderstorm. Because the sky is like all dark. Yeah. Big thunderstorm today, guys. How you know? I just know. I don't know. I wanna go up in the clouds and I wanna admire it. The thunderstorm. Toad, no, it's too dangerous and I think it's stupid. No! Toad. Yeah, Toad! Ah! That was fun! Let's do it again. Oh, wait, a rattle. Ah! Ow! What's the point of life? I'm just gonna die. I mean, all it is just rain. Hey, clouds. What? Can you strike me with... Hey, clouds, can you strike me with lightning so I die? I hope I get struck and wet so I can die. And get blown away to tornado and die. Wow. Wait, what? Yeah, I mean, pretty much, yeah. Alright. We don't die! I didn't die. Wish I never died, but I died, so I'm happy now. Guys! Are you guys dead? I think they're dead. Oh no! Ah! Oh my god! I'm so glad! Oh! Yeah, it's so windy, but... Is that the wind or is it just a truck? Because I hear wind. God, it's actually starting to look like a thunderstorm now. I'm starting to actually believe you guys a little bit. Guys! Guys, where comes the listening to me? Hi guys, come out again. That cloud is starting. I'm sorry, I think it's gonna be a big thunderstorm later. Okay, guys, who is gonna? I'm out of here. Oh, guys, watch me. I can do this. Oh yeah, the storm. It looks so young. Oh, guys, why is it snowing? Those clouds have been pretty fast to me. I'm starting to. It is getting kind of darker. Kind of like a storm. I mean, I didn't see any raindrops, so I guess we're good. Strong wind. Sounds very, very bad. But, guys, we're gonna go soon because I let's film this. Ah, there's poop. There's something poop, I guess. Alright, guys, we're gonna bring it back and we're gonna pack up the rest of the people. Yeah, it's not really loud. Alright, we're gonna pack up and do this at the same time. I'm gonna get my bag, we're gonna bring it in, pack up, and then I'm gonna bring it back inside. Best I can, because I want to get it on video. Good, and into half go. It's just so windy. It's almost like a breeze. In the left with my butter cheese. So guys, as you can see, this is still kind of cloudy out. Sun's out now, but yo, I've been a weatherman for 20 years, also known as a cop, so don't mess with me. Yeah, it's probably over, so we're gonna go now, and then, yeah. Pretty amazing, huh? Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.